Very good morning, students. We are moving to next part, that is the Indian monsoon. We are moving to Indian monsoon. The climate of India is strongly influenced by monsoon wind. Because of the monsoon wind, and we are calling it monsoon climate also. Indian climate is known as monsoon climate, that we already have seen. And the sailors who came to India in historic times were one of the first to have noticed the phenomena of the monsoon. Who started to notice that one, the particular movement of the wind in the Indian subcontinent? That is by the sailors who came to India. It is from other Asian countries like Arabian countries, as well as those who came from Europe, as well as African countries, those who came to India. They noticed that one, the particular movement of the wind, in sometimes it is moving to northward, sometimes it is coming to southward, like that things they started to notice. They benefited from the reversal of the wind system as they came by sailing ship at the mercy of wind. The Arabian people, when they are coming from Arabian countries to India, this reversal monsoon or the movement to the Indian subcontinent and movement from Indian subcontinent, they benefited from that, and they started to use that one. According to that, they was arranging their coming and going. The Arabs who had also came to India as traders named the seasonal reversal wind system as monsoon. Who started to call the monsoon, this wind system as monsoon? Arab traders, and that is in the historical time, not in the new days. And we can see the two pictures it is given in the textbook. First one, it is the atmospheric condition over the Indian subcontinent in the month of January. Month of January, what is the condition? And we can notice that one, this is India, and the wind is moving from which side? This line is known as the, let me change the color, then you will get better idea. And this line is known as the Tropic of Cancer, and this line is known as the equator. And from the Tropic of Cancer, the wind moving to the southern side, southwestern side. It is moving to the southwestern side, and that is bringing that is we can see that one. It is coming through Bay of Bengal, and in Bay of Bengal in the month of January, what is the condition of climate of North India or the northern part of India? That is the winter season. At the same time, middle part of India, it started its summer season. Not rainy season already finished, and it is started winter season. So the wind is moving to this area, that is from the Tropic of Cancer to equatorial region, that is in the southwestern side. Southwestern side, that you want to remember which side it is, southwestern side. And we can see here in the other areas what is the condition. And from again the Tropic of if we are discussing Tropic of Cancer here, then we want to understand downside there is Tropic of Capricorn, and from there the wind is moving to which area? That also to equatorial area, that is in the that is moving to northwestern side, and it is coming and reaching here in the mid part, that is the equatorial region. That is the first thing. Then we can see that first windows, that is known as the surface wind. What it is? That is known as the surface wind. Then second one, subtropical westerly jet streams. We have seen westerly wind, and that jet streams we have seen, and that we are going to see. That second type, we can see the second type of wind. It is showing with two lines. These two lines wind it is, we can see that one, and it is starting from where? From the Tropic of Cancer, up above the Tropic of Cancer, as well as the down of Tropic of Capricorn. So the wind is moving the subtropical westerly jet streams. It is passing through above the Tropic of Cancer and down of Tropic of Capricorn. Because why it is? That is the area where this westerly jet streams moves, and it is starting from the western side, and it is moving to eastern side. Where it is starting? from where it is starting. According to that, we are giving the name. It is starting in the west side. It is starting in the west side. So we will call it westerly jet streams, and it is moving. It is starting from where? It is starting from means not only Europe like that. It is totally above the Tropic of Cancer. It is starting, and it is coming up and down and reaching to the Pacific Ocean. It is starting from the Pacific Ocean and coming to reaching to Pacific Ocean. It is rounding like rounding in the month of January, and we can see some of the up and downs, especially in the Deccan Plateau. When it is reaching, it is coming down. Why it may be like that? And sometimes again it is going upper side because of the presence of the hills, mountains, like that things are there in between. According to that, it is moving. Then here downside we can see that one, it is starting from again it is coming from the Pacific Ocean only, and it is reaching to the Pacific Ocean through where Africa it is touching, then comes to the Australia, that part, and it is moving to Pacific Ocean again. That is the westerly subtropical westerly jet streams. Then next side we can see that one, next picture it is giving atmospheric conditions over Indian subcontinent in the month of June. In the month of June, what is happening, that we are going to see. Okay. And we can see again here is the surface wind. It is moving from the Indian Ocean. The Indian Ocean, from Indian Ocean it is coming to the means the landmass of India. Not only the Indian subcontinent we want to say, and we have discussed in subcontinent what it mean in 7th standard you studied, or 6th standard you studied. Afghanistan, Pakistan, India, Bangladesh, then Myanmar, Nepal, all together it was known as, even up to Indonesia. We can see up to here, from here to here it was known as the Indian subcontinent. It was known as Indian subcontinent. So the wind is moving to Indian subcontinent, not to India. Don't think like that it is only coming to India. We are going to study about India only, but it is coming to Indian subcontinent. Then that is the first thing what we want to understand. Then second one, the tropical easterly jet streams. Easterly jet streams, it is starting from where? Surely it should start from the eastern side of the globe, and it is, or in the when we are thinking about the earth, and it is starting from eastern side and moving to western side, and we are calling it, what we are calling it, it is the jet streams. Why we are calling it is easterly? Because it is starting from its eastern side. And here we can see that one, the tip of the Asian continent, and it is passing, starting from here in the Pacific Ocean. Again it is from where? It is Pacific Ocean. It is Pacific Ocean. From Pacific Ocean, and where it is it is starting from Pacific Ocean and coming to top of the, above the Bay of Bengal. That time the speed of the wind, it is little bit reducing because the pressure of it will increase. Again it is touching the Indian means the southern part of India. Then again it is moving through Arabian Sea, and at the same time it is slowly it is reaching to Africa. So it is starting from the Pacific Ocean and reaching to Africa, and we can see that one. And at the same time we are getting the surface wind from the equatorial region to northeastern wind. It is starting. Which wind? Northeastern wind. It is starting. At the same time we are getting the easterly jet streams also. And then at the same time we can see subtropical westerly jet stream also, but the position is different. It is coming, starting from Pacific Ocean. Again it is starting from Pacific Ocean, and it is reaching to the European continent, and in between it is missing. Again it is starting in the end part of the Asian continent and reaching to Pacific Ocean. And downside it is more or less same, but the degree it is coming from the Pacific Ocean. Again it is reaching to Pacific Ocean. This is all about the wind movement. If we are understanding this wind movement, then very easily we can understand the atmospheric changes. What will happen when the winds comes in or when it is going out, like that things we can understand. Okay, we will explain, we will continue in next video.